How to log out of Zangi. So you want to sign out of your Zangi account. Maybe you are using someone else's device or just want a fresh start. Whatever the reason, it's super straightforward. Grab your phone or open your app on your computer. Here we are going to use our app. So you can see I do already have Zangi app on my phone. If you don't have, install it from the Google Play Store if you are using an Android phone, and if you are using an iPhone, just go to the App Store. Now let's open the app. So we are inside the app. Now simply tap on the setting which is in bottom right corner over here. Tap on it. There you will see your number, your profile and other options. From the options, simply go to your profile. Then on your profile you can see an option for sign out which is right over here. Tap on it. Then you will be given two options right over here. There's keep story or delete a story. If you want to keep the history, simply tap on keep history, and if you don't want the history anymore, simply tap on delete history. I'm going to keep the history, so tap on keep history, and tada, you should now be signed out of your Zangi account on that device. See, simple, you are back to the sign in screen. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.